Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video I will be making latex rubber molds for these rocks that I collected some time ago on the beach. And yes, I'll be using latex rubber from company called Woodland Scenics. And to make these molds, I'll need a brush and some greaseproof paper. Greaseproof paper is just for putting underneath your items. And now I'm starting to apply the first layer of the latex with my brush. And it will be needed about 5-6 layers of latex, and in between every layer, of course, we need to let the latex dry completely. And that day that I was making these molds was really nice hot weather outside, and the latex was drying in about half an hour, so I managed to apply all my 5 layers in one day, which was great. And this is the first time that I'm trying something like this. I saw this method on YouTube channel as well. It was from Luke Towan, that he is amazing guy YouTuber that is making dioramas. So he is making his own rocks out of, I don't know, plaster of Paris, or he's making his own trees that are miniature, and he's making roads, and I really love to watch the things that he creates. So this is the first layer, so I let it to dry, and now I'm coming in with the second one. And you can see the sun is out and it's nice and hot weather. I'm doing it outside for 2 reasons: not to make smell inside my house, and just because it's warm and it will dry faster. So once again, I hope that these molds will come out nice and I will be able to clone any rock. And this is going to be used for my resin ocean art that I'm still pretty much love to make at the moment. And there are still many things that I need to learn. So slowly I am learning and developing. So this is the last layer, I think layer 5, and you can see how thick it is already around the rocks. And every time in between the layers I put my brush just into water, because latex will dissolve in water, so don't need to be worried about throwing away the brushes. And now it's the time to peel off the latex and see if it actually have worked. So I kept them about another 2 days just to make sure the latex is completely dry. And now I will start to peel away and see if I have a usable mold. So I'm peeling off carefully but it is a rubber and it is quite flexible. And here it is, my first rock mold made out of latex rubber. So it has little debris from the rock, but it's okay, I don't mind it. Just need to wash it or just leave it, because once you mold the rock you will paint it anyway, so I'm not really fussed about this debris. So this is the second one. It was really satisfying to peel off the edges. And here it is, the second one. Good as well, and I'm very happy and pleased. Speaking about this latex, we resin artists probably have used it for applying coast to coaster backs when we do the top coat to get off the little driplets easier. So basically this rubber, latex rubber, is much thicker and it's made for creating long-lasting molds, and it is thin enough to seek detail and thick enough for durability. So that is this latex rubber. So my molds are ready, and now I will use stone cast powder and I will fill them and see how my rocks are looking. So once again, this is my first time using this kind of plaster of Paris, so I didn't follow any instructions. I just mixed on the eye until it was a paste that I could just pour in the mold. And I placed my molds into sand, so it would help them to be leveled, but I find it that my molds, my rocks are really flat, so this step wasn't really necessary. Looking at this image from above right now, it reminds me oysters. And I left them to sit for about an hour, and now it's time to see and unmold them and see how they are looking. And look how easy they come off. It's absolutely joy. And here is my rock. And look at that detail, and everything is just like perfect. I'm so happy with these my creations. And this is the second one. I'm really happy, and I'm excited that I made something like this. So the next step I'm not really excited about, but I will try and do it as best as I can. It's the painting part, so I can put my hands down and tell you I'm not a painter. So I just took colors that I had at home, like acrylic paints, and kind of improvise. So I'm trying to start with the base, and after I will try to bring out the detail and try to make them look like rocks look. Anyway, I have ordered some paints and I've watched some tutorials, and hopefully next time I will make better looking rocks. But for now, I'm still happy and yeah. And here they are, my fake rocks are finished. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!